So this is the Honor 10 Lite, and we are going to check the durability of this phone. So this is the fourth durability of the month and obviously for the year. So we have a target of at least 100 plus phones to try out in this year. Let's see how many phones are going to survive. I haven't tried the 9 Lite, but we tried the Honor 9, and which was okay, but it failed on the drop test. And after that, Honor has really done a great job in improving the durability of their phone. We have tried furthermore 3 phones: the Honor 8X, it is a glass and the aluminum design phone. After that, we have the Honor Play, complete metal phone. Then we have a cheap polycarbonate Honor 8C. All of the phones, they survived, they're still working. So I really like Honor phones now. They are very durable, not like the recently we tried the Nokia 6.1 Plus, which failed both on the drop test and also on the water test. So let's give a shot to this Honor 10 Lite, see how durable it is. We will first start with the scratch test just to verify what kind of construction is being used on the phone, because the new phone may give you a different kind of illusion like it is glass or polycarbonate. We're going to verify that thing here. So first let's start with the frame. So it looks like a metal, but you can easily cut through it. If you remember, the Honor 8X has the same price, same processor, but that phone is there is a aluminum 6000 series followed by glass. So you can easily cut through every pieces. The problem with such kind of construction is that the paint job will simply rubs off with time. But it is good actually in terms of drop test. Mostly all the phones which have the polycarbonate design, they generally survive. All the buttons, SIM tray, volume, power button, they all are made from the plastic. At least there should be some metal, but we did not find any metal till now. Okay, so let's try with the back side. It seems like a glass, but actually it is not a glass. So you can easily rub all the brandings there. You remember the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, which is again the same shiny, but it can take a lot of scratches. So do try to use some cases. Don't use your phone naked, otherwise you may end up losing shine very quickly. So like you see, you can easily make some calligraphy there. We found finally one metal. The surrounding of the camera is actually made from the metal, and the camera has a good glass protection. Should be the what is being on the front. It should be 15 layer glass, not the Gorilla Glass 3, because generally Honor don't use Gorilla Glass. Okay, LED flash has a separate cutout. There should be no problem even if you scratch it heavily. Now it's time to verify the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor on the Honor devices are really very quick. Let's try to make some deep scratch here. Even after scratching, the phone works fine. It unlocks very quickly. I'm going to make some more deep marks here, and we're going to try to add some new fingerprint. So phone easily recognizes the new finger, so it should unlock fine. Okay, let's give a try here. So I can easily unlock my phone. Both fingers are properly working fine. That's a good thing here. Okay, time to check the screen quality. This is just a basic knife test, because on the budget phones we have seen with the knife they get some bit of hairline scratches. That should be okay, because either it could be 15 year on a glass or could be Gorilla Glass 3 on this price range. After cleaning, I can see some hairline scratches. It's very difficult to show you, but I can easily see 4 to 5 minor hairlines. Earpiece is made from the metal. Finally we have a second metal piece around the camera, then now the earpiece. Okay, front camera is under the glass, so you should not get any scratches. Your camera should be fine, but still use some protection. Okay, here is a glass box test. So I do this thing because if you keep your phone in the pocket, if you have some keys, coins, that's enough tumbling. Let's take the phone out. Alright, here is a quick magic I can show you. You can see the screwdriver is just stuck to the phone. It's not inside actually. There's a speaker down there, and the speaker have a magnetic coil. That's why this screw got stuck there. Little bit of magic you can play with your phone. Okay, phone is properly clean like I expected. There are huge deep marks, you can see. That's why if you're carrying a car keys or anything else in your pocket alongside the phone, you may get some deep cut here. So do use some cases. Don't use your phone without cases. Front is good, there is no such scratch at all. Any major dent, there is no major dent. Okay, this is my Redmi Note 6 Pro broken. I can't use much further, just using as a stopwatch. So let's do a splash test. Till now all the Honor phones survived on the splash test. Recently the Nokia 6.1 failed here, 6.1 plus actually. So this is just a basic splash test. You know what will happen in case you accidentally drop your phone or you spill water on your phone. Is your phone going to die immediately because there is no IP rating? This is why we do just 30 seconds to 1 minute of basic splash test. Let's see if the phone survives or not. So 1 minute is going to complete. I'm going to take my phone out, then we are going to verify everything whether the phone successfully passes the splash test or not. So I have cleaned the phone completely. Now let's verify everything. First, the display and touch. Everything is working fine. I'm not seeing like water is inside the display or any such problem. All the buttons are properly functioning. Fingerprint sensor also works fine. Okay. Next we have the cellular reception. It is coming fine. If you go to the display, you can see the network is coming fine. No such problem. Now let's try to play some music and see if the speakers are working fine or not. So this is the brand new OnePlus 6T and it's time to do the durability test on this phone. So as usual, we are going to perform a lot of steps like the bend test, drop test, scratch test, waterproof. Speakers are working fine. Also, we do need to check the headphone jack in case it is working fine or not. So that means I'm going to increase the durability expect on what I used to. Headphone jack is also working fine. Let's take a quick photo. Front camera working fine. Rear camera. Rear camera is also working fine. It's time to perform the bend test on the Honor 10 Lite. See how durable this phone is in terms of the bend. So previously all the Honor phones that we tried, they successfully passed the bend test except the Honor Play, where we can see the screen slightly came out. So this could be the due to maybe I have applied lot of resin or this is complete metal. So it's obvious to get some deformation. Let's give it a try on the Honor 10 Lite, see if the phone passes the bend test or not. There's a flex on the phone, but since this is polycarbonate, it easily came back to the normal shape. There's no permanent flex on the phone. Being a polycarbonate, like I said, it just regains the proper shape fine. So the phone Honor 10 Lite passes the bend test also. So now it is time to do the drop test of the Honor 10 Lite, and before we start, I just received the Y9 delivered today from the Amazon. So if you just closely look at it, this phone exactly has the same form factor. I mean, in terms of design material, the shiny polycarbonate followed by glossy design, and this should be polycarbonate. So if you're interested for this phone durability, let me know. Anyway, I will show you very soon. So today let's try out for the Honor 10 Lite, see whether this phone survives the drop test or not. Waist height, bottom side. 3, 2, 1. Okay, no problem. Top side, waist height. Seems okay, no problem. Okay. Rear side, waist height. Camera lens okay. Display okay, fine. Screen side, waist height. No problem. All right. 6 feet height from the bottom side. 3, 2, 1. No damage. Perfect. Top side, 6 feet height. no problems, fine. Okay, now rear side, 6 feet height. Perfect, no problem. Okay, movement of tooth, 6 feet height, screen side, Huawei 10 Lite, Honor 10 Lite. Wow, it's a major one. Fine, no problem. So phone finally survived the drop test also. The reason could be this is using polycarbonate construction and it has some, anti-reflection. It absorbs the impact, whatever it is there. So it is not always recommended to use phone without, any sort of protection. To use some cases tempered glass, based on surface to surface result may vary, but we get a good idea. This phone is okay. This is just a fake shiny polishing and it can easily be scratched. So anyway guys, that's been it for today's durability test for the Honor 10 Lite. Hope you guys did enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.